Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to activate Talbots credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box at the top, type in c.community.net/Talbots and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official website, click on the Activate Card button at the top. In the text boxes appearing on the next page, type in your credit card information. Start off with typing in your credit card account number. In the first text box, enter your expiry date for the credit card and select an identification type from the options. You can either enter the information for your social security number, social insurance number, or you can select the alternate identification option. Type in the credential that follows right after you make a selection. In my case, it is asking me for the last 4 numbers of my social security. After you type in, head over to the next field and type in your zip code or your postal code and finally click the continue button. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end in order to activate your Talbots credit card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.